Warning: this video contains disturbing content, flashing lights, and loud noises. Top 5 Unexplained Sounds. Viewer discretion advised.
There have been many sounds recorded all over the world without explanations, some being more disturbing than others. The Given Sound. The Given Sound was recorded back in 2013 by Lotte Given in Germany. This unusual rumbling was recorded by dropping a geophone, which is a device that helps to measure ground movement, as well as an ultrasonic sensor, which helps to record frequencies that cannot be heard by the human ear, into a 30,000-foot deep hole. Even though the sound is believed to be the Earth's mantle moving, it still remains unclear if it was indeed the Earth, the instruments causing the sounds, or something else entirely. The Bloop.
The Bloop was recorded in 1997 by the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA for short. This extremely unusual sound originated off the coast of California. Although it is speculated that this noise was caused by icebergs, it is still thought to have originated from an animal.
Hertz whale. The 52 Hertz whale, also known as the loneliest whale in the world, has a song that is at a frequency of 52 Hertz, which is above the average 10 to 40 Hertz song that the average blue whale sings. The hum.
The hum is a mysterious low-frequency sound that is only audible to certain members of the human population. This little detail, however, has not stopped people from actively trying to explain the sound as being anything from simple hallucinations to the sound originating from wireless communication devices.
What could that possibly be? Somebody shut the door.
It sounds supernatural.
Skyquakes. Skyquakes are loud, unexplained booms that usually occur near bodies of water. Having a likeness to that of a sonic boom, this unexplained phenomena is thought to occur when trapped gas below the Earth's surface escapes from vents on the surface, causing a sudden explosion of air that marks the gas's escape. However, despite this explanation, there has been a lot of speculation about this strange phenomenon, with people claiming the origins of it being earthquakes or even being caused by military aircrafts.
Where's it coming from?
Sounds like it's coming from over there.
Where?
I don't know, but there's nothing there.
I've never heard out like it.